Hello, my dear viewers, my dear friends, my dear viewers, my dear listeners, my dear learners, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Talking English. Today, I am going to cover a few things about how to speak English fluently. So, one of the main things you have to remember to keep speaking English fluently. You have to make an atmosphere, make a surroundings to speak English. You know what is this? You have to make up your mind. That means, for example, if you want to say something about an incident, suppose something happens around your neighbor, surrounding your neighbor, someone has died, or some accident has happened. So how you will say it in English? You have to think in your mind the atmosphere. You have to keep adjusted to the atmosphere. Some accident happens. Someone has got his leg broken, and some bloods are there, and a lot of things that you. Whenever you see the incidents, you get surprised. You are getting emotional. So how can you describe all the things to other person that this thing happened? I watched this and I got embarrassed. I felt so nervous to see the environment, see the incidents. So how will you describe? Is it that you will think in Hindi first? That's your native language, and say it one by one in English by thinking it in Hindi and translate it in English. It's not like that. If you do it, then you can control all the things. If you one word will come off another word, come on another word. That means there will be big confusion. Suppose you are going, जैसे कि तुम कहीं जा रहे थे तो तुम्हें दिखा एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ, एक हादसा हुआ. सो आपका मन में एक छवि हुआ. तो इसी चीज को आप किसी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, किसी चीज को आप बता रहे हो, तो आप कैसे बताओगे? आपने कहीं घूमने गए, कहीं एक गार्डन गए, तो गार्डन जाने के बाद वहाँ पे आपने जो फील किए, आपने जो चीज देखे सुने, आपने जो एंजॉय किए, उस चीज का छवि, एक पिक्चर, छवि बन जाता है आपका दिमाग में. तो वही छवि आप याद करेंगे और इस चीज को आप बताएंगे, बोलेंगे किसी के सामने. तो वो कैसे हो सकता है? सपोज आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग इट यूजिंग वन बाय वन सेंटेंस. सी, जैसे कि मैं हिंदी से इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट करूंगा. मैं कैसे करूंगा? थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज आपको देता हूँ. मैं क्या किस प्रोसेस में करूंगा. देखिए, ट्रांसलेट करना मतलब यू हैव टू नो द सम ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स. विदाउट ग्रामर यू कांट ट्रांसलेट. बट आई एम गोइंग टू skip the grammatical things and just going directly to speak. You have to listen, memorize, and try to speak. Practice every day, and you can automatically a thought will be stored in your brain. Then the sentence will be made up, and you can express this all thinking through your mouth. This will be the way. Suppose जैसे कि मैं मार्केट जा रहा था. कल मैंने मार्केट जा रहा था. Yesterday I was going to the market. अचानक मैंने देखा एक हादसा हुआ. Suddenly I saw an accident in front of my eye. Suddenly, अचानक means suddenly होता है. I saw, ये saw है, SAW saw. I saw an accident. ये एक्सीडेंट मैंने देखा था. आई देखा, ये पास्ट फॉर्म में है. आई सॉ एन एक्सीडेंट. सो आई सॉ कहाँ से है? सी का फास्ट फॉर्म होता है सॉ. ये भी जानना जरूरी है. ये सॉ कहाँ से आया? सी, SEE, सी. सी का मीनिंग होता है देखना. लेकिन मैं जब पास्ट में बोलूँगा कि मैंने देखा या मैंने देखा था, इस टाइप का जब मैं बोलता हूँ, तब ये पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस में बनता है. लेकिन ये पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस क्या होता है? मैं अगर टेंस में जाऊँगा तो whole years I can spend more than 1 or 2 years to learn only the grammatical thing. still I can't speak. I can learn grammar, all the things very perfectly, properly. I can't make sentence. ओके, सेंटेंस में बनाना सीख जाऊंगा परफेक्टली, इफेक्टिवली, लेकिन सेंटेंस बनाना सीख जाना मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम बात करना सीख जाओगे। बात करना और सेंटेंस बनाना में डिफरेंस है, नहीं है भी, लेकिन डिफरेंस यही है कि अगर तुम बात करना चाहते हो तो सेंटेंस बनाना ही जरूरी नहीं है, ये बोल सकते हो। सेंटेंस बनाना जान गया मतलब तुम बात नहीं कर सकते हो, ओके। लेकिन सेंटेंस बनाना चाहिए, सेंटेंस बनाना आना चाहिए, लेकिन इतने काफ़ी नहीं है, हम ये बोल सकते हैं। ओवरऑल सेंटेंस बनाना जान गए इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम बात करना सीख जाओगे। इफ़ यू वांट टू स्पीक यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट, एंड देयर is required, of course partner is required. Without partner you can't speak. At least you have to have one person in front of you, otherwise it's very difficult. If you read fluently, if you read and understand, if you pronounce utters words every day, so if you speak over phone, okay, speak over phone with the friends, with partner, with a customer care executive. So from there also you will gain fluency. You know, what you pronounce, is the sentence comes out of your mouth. It is stored permanently in your brain. Okay. So just going to make you listen one story. Like just going to say that one incident happens, means मैंने जब जा रहा था, when I was going to the market, I saw an accident happened in front of my eye. मेरे आंखों के सामने एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ, ओके, इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई आई, इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई आई मीन्स मेरे आंखों के सामने। देयर टू बाइक राइडर्स from different sides collided. Two bike collided, okay, तो दोनों बाइक ने टक्कर मारी, and the bike rider fell down from the bike. So I went toward them and tried to pick them up. उठाने की कोशिश किया, मैंने आगे बढ़ा, okay, walked towards them and tried to pick them up. They got up by themselves. They started fighting among them. Okay, one of them is saying, it's your fault. Another is saying, it's your fault. एक जन बोल रहा है कि तुम्हारा गलती है, दूसरे ने बोल रहा है तुम्हारा गलती है। Okay, now I was trying to settle them down, trying to solve their problem. So I was saying that it's not anybody's mistake. It happens because of, it is not anybody's mistake. Either it is not anybody's mistake or it's a mistake of both of you. Okay, one is saying that no, I was going through my side. Okay, but another is say and he was coming from my side only. Okay, he was not confirmed. So in this way I have to learn one by one sentences. Okay, and so I tried to stop them but they never listened me. So I thought that it's better to go away from here than be engaged with their fighting. It's better. So I thought that it's better to go away from here and staying with them and trying to solve their problems, because they are not understanding themselves, they are not cooperative. This type of sentence you can use in your daily languages. To learn English language, I'm telling you again and again, you don't need to read and focus on grammar completely. You have to learn grammar, because to make the sentence properly, Because if we say without grammar, if we say I was I was have gone in the market, I was gone in the market. If you suppose you said I was gone in the market, sometimes maybe if your sentence is not stored in your brain, so you can say anything. I went to the market, but if you say and you can say I had gone to the market. So here is also difference. I went to the market means मैंने market गया. Okay, market गया. I went to the market at 3 p.m. Then I bought some vegetables, some grocery materials, and some fish and something more household household necessities, the basic necessities, the daily needs. You can say like this. And just I came home after 1.5 hour after roaming whole market and just trying to see what trying to and just trying to see what the new materials comes in the market. Then I came back home. You have to say like this, these all are in the past form. So my brother and sister, my friends, you have to speak English. Without, if you go on listening every day, your listening skill will improve. You can understand better English. But when you communicate, when you go to reply someone, you will face big problem. And the solution to this problem is not only to read and write and remembering and understanding. It's not enough. You must speak. You must speak. So daily, every day, in every video, I will say that speak with anyone. Speak with, you can speak with me also. And every day, every time, at least half an hour. You can start with half an hour, then speak with 1 hour every day. 1 hour every day. You will find out new and new words, and a formation of your sentence will be consolidated. It will be firm. Maybe mistakes are there. Without mistakes you can't speak. Without, if you don't make mistakes, that means the possibilities of learning English is very weak. You are not going forward, you are in a backward place. Mistakes of course will be there. Without mistakes you can't speak a single words or sentence properly. Okay, so my dear friends, try on doing, keep following my channels, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.